Histology, the study of tissues. There are 4 types of tissues: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. There are approximately 200 types of cells that establish the 4 types of tissues. Histology is the study of tissues, and cytology is the study of cells. Epithelial tissue contains glandular cells. Epithelium is a sheet of cells that covers an exposed surface or lines a cavity or passageway. Epithelium covers every exposed body surface. There are 6 characteristics of epithelial tissues. 1. Cellularity with reduced spacing. 2. Polarity, uneven cell distribution. 3. Attachment, thin basolamina cell base. 4. Avascularity, a lack of blood vessels. 5. Layering, multiple cell sheets. And 6. Regeneration, stem cell division. Epithelial tissue completes 4 functions. It protects, provides permeability, allows for innervation of senses, and offers glandular cells. Epithelial cells are classified by 3 subdivisions. 1. They produce secretion. 2. Allow for fluid movement over the epithelial surface. 3. Provide fluid movement through the epithelium. Most epithelial cells have microvilli on exposed apical surfaces, such as stereocilia, located along the inner portions of the ear. Maintaining the integrity of epithelium. Cell junctions promote epithelium integrity. Stem cells promote integrity through replenishing the cells. Epithelia can be classified into simple or stratified cells, which then can be classified further into squamous, cuboidal, or columnar. Simple epithelium is one layer of cells covering the basal lamina. It's very thin and fragile, such as the chamber of the heart. Simple epithelium involves secretion, absorption, or filtration, such as the lining of the intestines or the lung. This is a chart I created. I would encourage all of y'all, all the students here, to do the same chart. Just copy it in your own handwriting, but you can copy it verbatim. Connective tissue. The internal tissue contains 3 components. 1. Specialized cells. 2. Extracellular protein fibers. And 3. Ground substance fluids. Extracellular fibers and ground substance fluid create the cell matrix. There are 6 key combinations of connective tissue. 1. Establish a structural body framework. 2. Transport fluids. 3. Protect organs. 4. Provide tissue support. 5. Allow for energy storage. And 6. Allow for immunity defense. This is a secondary chart that I created for the classification of connective tissue. We have connective tissue proper, connective tissue fluid, and connective tissue supporting. Again, I would encourage all of the students watching this course to go ahead and create your own chart. You can use different colored paper or markers, just whatever helps you memorize this material best. Further classification of connective tissue. Loose connective tissue can be divided into reticular, areolar, or adipose tissue. Dense connective tissue can be divided into collagen or elastin. Fibroblasts produce collagen, reticular, and elastin fiber, while fibrocytes maintain collagen, reticular, and elastin fibers. There are 3 types of bone cartilage: hyaline, elastic, and fibrous bone cartilage. Muscle tissue is specialized for movement. There are 3 types of muscle tissue: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle tissues. Skeletal muscle tissues contain very large muscle cells. Cardiac muscle tissues are located in the heart solely, and smooth muscle tissues compose organs. Neural tissue consists of cells called neurons or neuroglia. The neuron has a cell body with dendrites and an axon. Nerve tissue is most commonly found in the brain and spinal cord, yet nerves innervate or exist throughout the body.